YouTube channel. For today's video, I will be doing a summer makeup look or pwede rin naman natin tawagan na beach makeup look kasi malapit ting summer, mga 3 months na lang ata or 4 months. And lahat na gagamitin ko for this video ng mga makeup product ililink ko down below para kung interested kayo, you can purchase them for a really affordable price. Para lang dito sa some Buy Me sun cream na gagamitin ko kasi this is 620 pesos on Shopee. Pero if you are interested dito sa product na to, ililink ko pa din down below. So without further ado, let's proceed on the makeup video.
So ngayon gagamit tayo ng Trucica Mineral Calming Tone Up Sun Cream from Some By Me. And take note that this sun cream from Some By Me have SPF 50+ that can protect your skin and reduces the risk of developing skin cancer and skin damage. Siyempre, pag magsiswimming tayo or magpupunta tayo sa beach resort, kailangan talaga natin magdala and mag-apply ng mga sunscreen sa ating mga face or sa mga katawan natin na exposed talaga sa sun, such as, yun nga, yung face natin, neck, arms, and especially our legs. Now we are going to use the BILENA Fearless Concealer and I'm on the shade Vanilla. Meron ako netong Oriental pero parang nasira ata yung applicator stick niya. So, bumili ako ng bago and mas pinili ko yung mas light talaga sa skin ko kasi yun naman talaga yung dapat. Now, I'm going to use the Ever Organics Ice JEJU Aloe Face Mist. Good thing din dito sa product na to because it helps soothe skin from sun damage and it has cooling effect then on our skin. Kaya super ganda talaga nito sa summer or pagpupunta talaga kayo ng beach kasi mapoprotektahan talaga niya yung ating skin. Yan, blend lang tayo ng blend and make sure to blend your concealer well. Now we are going to use brow soap para ma-achieve natin yung bushy brows. Kasi pag summer or pag sinabing beach, it reminds me of bushy eyebrows. Kasi mas bagay talaga yung makapal na brows pag summer. Yung pakak na pakak talaga. Now, I'm going to use the PINKFLASH Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Gray Brown. The next product we are going to use on our eyebrows is the FOCALLURE Waterproof Eyebrow Gel in the shade Light Brown. Now, let's proceed to our eyeshadow. We are going to use CHUO Cosmetic Cheek Flick Tint in the shade CADY. This product from CHUO Cosmetics is multi-use. You can use it on your eyelids, cheeks, and your lips. Pagdating sa mga ginagamit kong liquid eyeshadow, favorite ko talaga tong CHUO Cosmetics in the shade CADY kasi perfect talaga yung shade color niya sa lahat ng occasion. Ang next product na gagamitin ko for my eyeshadow is the Squad Cosmetic Peach Eyeshadow Palette. Itong palette na to, super pigmented and super affordable din niya. Kaya super sulit din kung if ever na gusto nyong bumili. And friendly rin siya sa mga beginners and I suggest this palette if you are a makeup beginner. Next naman is for our eyelashes. I'm going to use the PINKFLASH Volume Waterproof Mascara. And maganda sa mascara na to, super pigmented din niya. And it adds a light volume on my eyelashes. And if ever naghahanap kayo ng mga good quality products and affordable, I suggest PINKFLASH. COSMETIC. Now for our cheeks naman, I'm going to use the COLOURETTE Color Tint in the shade MADDIE. If ever nagagamitin nyo to as for your blush, make sure to blend it well and i-blend nyo agad talaga kasi dito talaga ako nahirapan talaga mag-blend. And bukod sa super pigmented niya, hindi naman siya medyo mahirap i-blend, pero yun nga, dapat talaga mabilis talaga. The next product that I'm going to use on my cheeks is the PINKFLASH Blush Powder in the shade Daybreak. When doing a look for summer makeup look, kailangan mo din maglagay ng blush, liquid man yan or powder, sa iyong nose kasi para may pagka-sun-kiss talaga yung look mo. Next is for our highlight. I'm going to use the Kiss Beauty Powder Highlighter. If gagawa ka ng summer makeup look, I prefer you, besties, na gumamit ng mga liquid product as much as you can. Next product is for our lips. I'm going to use the COLOURETTE Color Tint in the shade MADDIE again for my lips. When using color tint from COLOURETTE, make sure to shake it well. Now, I'm going to use my fingers to blend the lip base on my lips para mag-blend talaga siya ng maigi. For this look, hindi natin kakapalan yung lipstick. Gagawin lang natin gradient para may pag-Korean effect. For our lips again, I'm going to use the COLOURBALM from COLOURETTE in the shade TROPIC. And that's it. I will be back for the final look.